All right, this is the last example from section 11.2, or just kind of a conceptual example than anything else. Online social networking. An article in the Arizona Daily Star, April from 2009, included the following table. So we got age categories and people that use online social networks and people that say they do not use online social networks. Suppose you decide to analyze these data using a chi-squared test. However, without any additional information about how the data was collected, it is not possible to know which chi-squared test is appropriate. Maybe I could ask, why can't you tell? We go back a few slides, few pages. Here's how we can tell which test to run. Did we take multiple samples or did we take a single sample? Single sample independence, multiple sample homogeneity, that's it. It's really as easy as that. They didn't tell us how many samples they took. All right, problem. Explain how you know that a chi-squared test for goodness of fit is not appropriate. I don't know, I have a hard time explaining why that is. It's just not. Goodness of fit is for, so GOF is for a single sample with one categorical variable. And we compare it to a claimed distribution. Okay? That is not what's happening here. We got, first of all, we got a two-way table, so we got a two-way table of observed counts, so we're already out the door. It's a single variable of observed counts, and we compare it to a claimed variable, a claimed distribution. So that is not what we have here. Okay? Describe how these data could have been collected for a test for homogeneity. Well, homogeneity is multiple samples. So either I could have taken 6 independent random samples of people from the different age groups, and then I would ask them, do you use social networking or not? That's one possibility. So we could, if we describe how, so we took 6 independent samples of people in the different age groups, and then asked one question. The one question would be, do you use online social networking? So we just ask one question from 6 different samples. Okay? The other way we could have done it is I could have actually taken 2 samples of people from that use social networking, people that don't use social networking, and ask them, how old are you? That's the other way you could do it. Describe how the data would have been collected so that a test for independence is appropriate. Test for independence, a single sample. So we ask one sample of 1,084 people, 84 people, and we ask 2 questions. 1, how old are you? 2, do you use online social networking? Again, it's just a matter of how you collect your data. It's really not that big of a deal. In fact, in AP Stats, I think we make a bigger deal of it than really anyone else in the stat community. So that's it for Chapter 11. One chapter to go.